Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So I'm going to assume you clicking on this video means that you read the title of the video and you guys want to become a makeup artist, or if you want to brush up on your makeup skills or learn to create more creative looks in the comfort of your own home. Then thank you for clicking on the video. So if you guys want to learn how to become a certified makeup artist or brush up on your skills or even just learn to be more creative, then stay tuned for the video. But first, I do want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by the Online Makeup Academy. I have worked with them in the past before and I was enrolled in one of their previous programs, one of their courses. The program really helped me a lot. It gave me some new insights on new techniques or a refresher. It really gave a lot of information in the comfort of my own home. So like I said, I am enrolled in another course of theirs and I'm excited to show you guys this new course. And what's great about the Online Makeup Academy is that when you're enrolled in these courses, you can complete these courses in the comfort of your own home and at your own pace, which is wonderful. So they do have a physical school in New York, but if you don't live around the area, it's wonderful that they have an online course where you can again complete it in the comfort of your own home and at your own time. Let's be honest, we all have busy lives, we have things going on, and it's kind of hard to really be on top of your schoolwork and have deadlines. So with this, you can do everything in your own pace and you don't need to feel rushed. And even though it is an online course, you don't feel excluded whatsoever because the tutors will still work with you one-on-one. So they go through everything with you. If you have questions, you can just reach out to them. It still feels like you are still learning in a class. If you guys are interested and want to take a look at the Online Makeup Academy, they do have other courses as well. I do have the link down in the description box below, and I also have a discount code for you guys just to save some of that coin because you know what, times are hard. Okay, so again, if you guys are interested in this course or any of their other courses, then click on the link in the description box below. And again, I do have a discount code for you guys just to save some of that coin. So before we get into the video, be sure you are subscribed to my channel, ring that bell so you're notified when I do upload a new video, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up for continuing to learn and improve your makeup skills. And let's get started with the video. So like I said, the Online Makeup Academy did reach out to me again, and I did enroll in one of their other courses to improve my skills and also just to learn more about being a little bit more creative. Now, if you don't want to enroll in this course specifically, there are other courses that they have as well. They do have their Master Makeup course if you do want to learn more about the fundamentals like face shapes, eye shapes, skin tones, how to get started, sanitation, all that good stuff. So this one is the next step where they show you how to create more creative looks and how to branch out, how to market, and to keep you motivated, because sometimes it's a little bit hard to stay motivated when the industry is so saturated and what makes you different from everybody else. But also again, just to keep you motivated to help you keep going on that presence online, because if you're just offline, no one's gonna know that you are around at all, right? So they do teach you and give you tips and advice how to keep going. And again, they show you some creative looks, some editorial looks. So some of you may think, what makes this different than me just watching a YouTube video? So first of all, when you're enrolled in their program, you have access to this program for life. You can go back to it whenever you want. So that's one of the perks about it. But one of the best things is that these videos are created by actual makeup artists that have been in the industry for like 10 plus years. So you are actually learning from a certified makeup artist, and they will give you the tips and tricks that you need. Because let's face it, when you see a YouTube video, you may forget about it, forget the title, maybe forget the YouTuber, and it gets lost in a sea of other videos as well. Rather in this case, because it is in a program, in a course, it's there for life. So if you ever need to reference back to it, you can do that. And of course, unlike YouTube videos, when you complete the course, you actually get the certificate certifying you that you completed the course, and then you are a certified makeup artist. So even though this is an online class, you still have homework assignments that you have to complete in order to get your certificate. So in order to complete your assignments, you have to submit it through the portal, and your tutor instructor will review your work and critique anything if there's anything you need to improve on, and they will give you that evaluation so they can help you improve. So you don't have to feel that this is just a generic online course that you're never really going to talk to anybody. So this is a great thing about the Online Makeup Academy, is that you can actually reach out to them if you have any further questions. And again, when you submit your homework, you can submit as many times as you want, and they will look at your work and let you know if you need to improve or if anything, everything's great. So on the website, you can see that there are multiple programs to choose from. This one in particular is the Advanced Makeup Program. And here you can see there's a breakdown of the curriculum into 7 modules. So the 7 modules are Advanced Techniques, Creative and HD Makeup, Period Makeup, High Fashion, editorial makeup, business, branding, and marketing, and last, maximizing your income. So how they break down these modules is really simple to follow, and what I love about this program in particular that not many other courses would offer is especially showing you how to run your business, how to work as a makeup artist, building a professional website, how to work with models. But not only that, they will teach you, give you tips on how to maximize your income and how to be a successful makeup artist if you wish this to be a career of yours. So again, I do love that they give you all the information that you need in order to be successful in this industry, because again, this industry is very saturated, so having this advice really helps. And unlike other online courses, you have a tutor that works with you one-on-one with a personal mentor, and the lead instructors are makeup artists that have been in the industry for more than 10 plus years, so you know you're getting vital information. And once you're complete with the course, you do get an official certifications, and with that you get pro discounts from Morphe, Ardell, RMS, the works. So like I said, one of the best things I love about this course is that there's business and branding and marketing, and they will definitely help you out to build your portfolio and help you be financially successful. So if you were wondering who are the faces behind your courses, there is a section on the website where you can learn a little bit more about your instructors, their overall background, you know, just a little something where you can just get to know them a little bit more rather than just over video. And of course the other team members to help put this all together. So just an idea what to expect when you do enroll in one of these courses is that they will show you step by step on how to achieve this look. So in this case, this is a Great Gatsby look in the period of the 1930s, which is part of the curriculum, and throughout the video they show you how to achieve this look, showing you the basics, how to prep the eyes, some eyeshadows that they use. Of course, you don't have to use the exact ones that they do, anything similar that you have, but they do show you step by step on how they do achieve this look.
Now I'm taking a fluffy brush and we're going to start defining the crease, and I'm going to go in with the light brown and the dark brown and down. So the crease is where my brush goes in all the way. I'm going to do this in circular motion. I'm going to keep building up the color little by little.
So anyways, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have a chance to check out the Online Makeup Academy. Again, the link is down in the description box below, as well as my discount code. So please go check it out if you are interested in honing your makeup skills, learning how to do editorial looks, or even if you're just starting off and you want to be a freelance makeup artist and want to be certified and want to have the basics. Everything is there for you. So again, please go check it out. You guys will not be disappointed. So anyways, you guys, that is it for today's video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!